Old Alabama Gardener, and in this video I'm showing you how I cook chicken for use in other recipes. Folks, you know, gardening season is kind of winding down now. It's getting late in the summer. Now I will be doing a little bit of fall gardening, and of course I'll be making some videos on that. But pretty much all summer, as my vegetables started to come in and produce, I wanted to make some videos for you on what I call everyday cooking, or just plain old country cooking. And to do that, I wanted to do it with the vegetables that you see me growing out in the garden. So here's what I think I'm going to do. Now, I don't use a lot of red meat. I think too much red meat is probably not healthy for us. So I use a lot of chicken in various dishes that I make. So what I'm going to do then is first I'll make a video of cooking chicken. And then that's what this video is going to be about. And then I'll be using the cooked chicken and vegetables that I growed in the garden or have canned to make other videos. So in each video then, I'll be having what we might say a base, which would be the chicken, and then maybe a different vegetable or some other recipe. So by doing it that way, I won't waste your time on each video of me going back over and cooking the chicken again. So I'll just do that one time. So then when I make a video on using a specific vegetable from the garden, all I need to do is refer you to the video on cooking chicken. So that's what this video is. It's what I'm going to call the base video. It's going to be on cooking chicken. And then, as I have time, other videos will follow using the vegetables that I grow out in the garden. And sometimes I might use another recipe that don't have a vegetable in it, but it'll still be a country cooking kind of recipe. So I really think and I hope that you will enjoy my series, I guess I can call it, of videos on home or country cooking. So now I'm going to season the chicken with the spices, get it ready for cooking. Now I'm using avocado oil because it can take a higher cooking temperature than most any other oil. Now I'm putting about a 1/4 inch of oil in the skillet. I'm not deep frying this, of course. I'm just doing what's called a pan frying it. Now I'm putting the chicken in a skillet with the seasoned side down, and then I'll sprinkle some seasoning over the top of this chicken that's already in the skillet. That way I got both sides seasoned. Now this is boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I think thighs have a better flavor than any other part of the chicken. Now, as you see here, the chicken is cooked, it's tender, and it's done, and it's ready to eat right now. You could eat it right now. You can make a sandwich, you could slice it up and use it on a salad, whatever. But my point is, it is also ready to be used in other recipes. And the way I do that is I'll chop it. I'll cut it up into small cubes, and then I'll do some other things with it, mix some other spices, some other vegetables perhaps, and make more videos on doing that. And you know it's good. Now in this next little segment that you see coming up, you see the cooked chicken is already cooked. It's already done. It's already tender. And if you wanted to, you could eat it right now. It'd be real good to slice this up in slices and put it on a salad. But it's also ready to be used in other recipes. And that's what you'll see in follow-on videos.